is our 5-row traction. Second traction. Then center windows. Now our engineer is operating and adjust that machine. This is biodegradable raw materials. And the materials come down from this hole. And then our screw will enter it. This is a small blower, and this is 3-ton filter. The die head, the special die head for biodegradable, we use 3 vents, airing. This is air vent, and the film blowing up. This is our electricity box made from Shaoxing. This is the meter wave controller. Speed. It can show the speed, and this is the bag switch, and this is bag length, and this is output. When we have right into these numbers, and this part will be automatically. This is the inventor. ETD is a brand, famous brand from USA. Our temperature control is the brand Omurong from Japan. You can see the line is very clear in our electricity box. And this is the inventor, the brand from USA, ETD inventor. And all bottom brand name is Schneider, made from French. You can see Schneider, and the line is very clear and beautiful here. We have marked every line number here, so you can see it very clearly.